ವಿಶ್ವವನ್ನೇ ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸಿರುವ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19ರಿಂದ ಭಯಭೀತರಾಗಿರುವ ಜನರು ಊರುಗಳತ್ತ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ತವರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಲು ಹರಸಾಹಸ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ನಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲುಕಿದ್ದು ಇದೀಗ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗೆ ಮಾರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ತೆರವಾದರೂ ತಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ವರದಿ. ಇವರು ತೆರೇಸಾ, ಮೂಲತಃ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ನವರು. ಪ್ರವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಇವರು ಆಗಾಗ ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲ ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗುವ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಘೋಷಣೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಆಗ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಪಡೆದರು. ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಜನರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಪ್ರೇಮ, ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರು ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೆ ಮುಂದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯಲು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಸಮಯ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಆ ಇಂದ ಳವರೆಗೂ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಲು ಕರೆಯುವುದು, ಹಸು ಮೇಯಿಸುವುದು, ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಮೇವು ಹಾಕಿ ಗೂಡು ಸೇರಿಸುವುದು, ನಾಟಿ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕುವುದು, ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಸಿಂಪಡಿಸುವುದು, ಹೀಗೆ ರೈತರ ನಿತ್ಯ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೇಸಾ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೆ ಮಂದಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಮನೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯೆಯೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನೆಲೆಸುವ ಆಸೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಡಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಪ್ರವಾಸಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಉಳಿದೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಆಸೆಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಾತಾವರಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಸಂತಸ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
ಹಾಯ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರಿ? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತೆರೇಸಾ. I come to India to travel, but suddenly lockdown arrived and I cannot go. But I'm very happy here. I learn many things. I'm learning Kannada, and I'm doing many things I never did before, like planting rice, fertilizer. I like milking Dana, and also I like Koli. Children teach me some Kannada and this kind of words like Basabna Manege, Bisbisi, Gasgasi, Paisat Guasni, Nankunda Purabasi, Changwambi. I know I have to go because my family also is waiting me in Spain, but I don't feel like I have to go. I'm happy here. Also, I have a family here, and I like Heranjal. I like people in the villages, ತುಂಬಾ friendly.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯರಂತೆ ಇರುವ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವರು ಸ್ಪೇನ್ಗೆ ಮರಳಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸರವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಓಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲಿತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಊರಿನ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಂತ ಚಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹಲೋ, ಹಾಯ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಗಳು ಶೈದೇವಿ ಸುತೆ ಮರವಂತೆ. ನಾನೀಗ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇಟು ಬೈಂದೂರು ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಹೆರಂಜಾಲು ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ದೇಶದ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳೆದ ಜುಲೈ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ 20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಕಳೆದ ಜುಲೈ 20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ವಿಶ್ವ ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಕನ್ನಡ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾನ್ ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ದಿಗ್ಗಜರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನರನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆದಂಥವರು ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ದೇಶದ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡೋಣ. ಅವರ ಅನುಭವ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಕಲಿತಂತಹ ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ದೇಶದ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಅವರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹಾಯ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತೆರೇಸಾ.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ?
Okay. I decided to come because I'm not that of my parents. Usually come to India every year. So you have to come because you will enjoy a lot. So I decided to take a break in my job and travel to India for a few months.
How was those days in the beginning here? Actually, was there any difficulties in your adjustment with these people or this village?
The beginning was difficult. No, because of the language.
Okay.
Because I didn't understand anything. Now it's like I didn't understand everything in Canada. But now I know the people and I like to try to speak my Solpa Canada with them. So it's funny. People is very lovely.
There is no difficult actually. I heard that you have learned lot of things over here, especially Kundapura Kannada. Shall I know about that in detail?
Okay. About many things.
Kundapura Kannada that you have written already. That's
Okay.
Kannada and all.
Very like now we have time to learn. We try also to teach Spanish. We have here the
Okay.
word. So multi-language. And I try to write this
Kannada and okay.
Yes, and then
Work and all these work like.
and different words, yes. Farming words, like planting rice, then cobra horse. I don't know the name in English now. Milking Dana, washing the clothes because here we do different. The peanuts, because I collect the peanuts.
Any single word for me actually Kundapura Kannada. Lot of words you have learned.
Chakudisya, Untapalli,
Milpalli?
Kolpalli, Tarkari, Pali.
Okay.
But then, what is this? Come, sit.
Bunny, Kani.
Then,
I don't know.
are you tired?
Tired? It's like
ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
Sakaita. Hochote.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Jagrati.
Then any more words?
Nammane. Kolpalli. Nimmane anta.
Milpalli, Tarkari Palli. Okay. Then have you visit any places over here till the date? Here?
Here in Karnataka? Not many places because in lockdown we cannot go to
But here, Heranjal is a nice place.
Heranjal and we go to Paindur or
Someshwara beach.
I don't know the name.
So we went to a beach now.
Yes. What is the name of the place?
Someshwara.
Someshwar beach.
Thomas. Okay.
Someshwar beach.
Thomas.
Then there is one more beach now you went, no? Trasi.
This one,
Maravante beach.
Maravante
That
beach.
is our native place actually.
Yes.
Would you like to say anything about that beach?
Okay.
One side river and one side sea.
Yes, it's beautiful. Because when I was here, I stopped here. I was like, please, I want to go out. I want to see the beach. So it was super fun go with the bike and see the beach.
That was
You like the place? You like the Maravante place?
Yes, but I want to go and put my feet inside the hotel. Okay, maybe later when we go.
okay. Then I came to know that your ultimate teacher is Chitama Pujari, Krishna Pujari's mother. So would you like to say anything about this whole family relationship?
Yes, I love this family. Now it's my family. So what I'm very grateful. From the first day with the lockdown, they say, please don't go to any place. You are safe here. You can stay here. So,
Let us know about your opinion about this whole country. Wow. Which place you have already visited in India?
in general. Yes, at the beginning I was traveling in the north. I went to Himalaya, Rishikesh, Varanasi, Delhi, Agra,
Vaishnavi.
Mumbai. And I wanted to visit more places, but I arrived to here to visit my.
You went to Bangalore also, no? Bangalore.
Yes, Bangalore.
How was that? Bangalore is our no Mysore, no? Only
No,
Bangalore.
only Bangalore.
How was Bangalore?
I don't know so much about Bangalore because I was visiting some friends, so we spent time.
Okay. Hopefully you will carry some sweet memories from here to your motherland. So would you like to say something about your sweet memories over here?
Sweet memories. In general, like all the experience, sweet, everything. I don't know anything negative now.
No, but not everything is sweet. You also have some spicy.
Yes, but now it's not so cara. At the beginning, everything was tumba cara. I cannot eat.
Which is your favorite dish actually here?
Gorgo.
Kadubu.
Kai kadubu.
Kadubu.
Yes, like
Sakit.
tumba ishta.
Kai kadubu.
Sakit. I have to say Sakit is very nice, very good. Like it.
Like it? Tumba chanadide or tumba ishta?
Second.
But Kundapura, how to say in Kundapura? Kundapura Kannada.
Tanu wampi.
Allah, no. Sakit is nice. I mean,
Sakit is
it's
nice.
good. Tasty.
I don't remember.
Like it. Like
Like it, yes.
Like it,
Okay. Like it.
And would you like to
Like
say
it.
something about this personal interest? Simple.
What fun! I like this kind of interview. Yes, because in other interviews it's like, okay, the camera speaks, and we're like, I don't know what to say, but here is easy.
Very
More clear. Yes.
Because this is today even I find her very comfortable. You know, because this is what we like. I mean, it's not interview. It's more like talking in general. You know, this is
And
nice.
if you want to know more, you can continue asking. But me alone in front of the camera is, hi, I'm lost.
Memory loss ultimately. Okay. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಭಾಷೆ ಚಂದ ಕಾಫಿ.
Yes, I'm one thing.
So, if you come back to India again, what you want to do? What are some of the things you want to do when you come back to India?
I come back. Okay, I will visit Heranjal, of course. I have to
Why?
visit my
Why? We don't
family.
want you here.
Yes.
It's too much. Too many months. Go.
I'll come back. Don't worry. I'm more places because India is huge and interesting and very place. I want to go to. In Karnataka, I only been here and different places. I want to go to
Mysore also good, very place. Mysore.
Hampi.
Hampi.
Yes, I want to
Would you like to say something overall about this Garanjar? Overall. And field work, farming work like that.
Yes, I love to do everything I did here. The people I knew. So, what to say? Everything was fun, friendly.
Have you learnt any cooking over here?
A little bit. She just helped them, you know.
Just
I tried to do the dosi.
Dosi.
Udin dosi.
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 Gasgasi.
So proper Kannada, dosai. Kundapura Kannada, dosi. Dosi. Dosi.
Gasgasi.
Can you say that Basappan Mane something?
Kasapi manage. Easy. What do you say?
Spices.
Spices? Spices something.
What's
Kara,
it?
kara.
Spices was me.
Yeah, what's it?
Spices was me.
Spices was me.
Spices was me.
Because that's Kundapur, no? So that was so fun, na, right? We went to the school and some children were there, and they ಬಸಪ್ಪನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸಪ್ಪನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಗಸಗಸೆ ಪಾಯಸದ ವಾಸನೆ. that was it. Then I told them, hey, come on, teach in ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಕನ್ನಡ. Then ಬಸಪ್ಪನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಗಸಗಸೆ ಪಾಯಸದ ವಾಸನೆ.
Tell Any wishes for me? Wishes? Any wishes for me?
I don't know.
Wishes? Any good wishes? Jyoti.
I listened to this interview. I like it. I have
Very
fun by
comfortable.
doing it.
English kendra. Your Kannada is better than your English.
I know. Now I forgot all my English. And I speak only Kannada. So, but I don't need more. For communication, this is enough.
God bless you always.
What is mine?
God bless you always.
Oh, okay.
Come to native. In our native also, Maravanti.
Okay, I go.
Native you should come.
So when you come, we lost that question. When you come back to India, of course you talked about traveling more places. If you come to Herenjal, is there something you want to do it again?
Holidays in Heranjal?
Vacation in Herenjal.
Vacation in Heranjal.
Okay.
What else we can do?
I don't know.
Are you planning something for
Maybe find a boy here for you. No?
Very good.
Maybe. So then you will learn more Kannada, better.
Is better?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't say in front of camera.
No.
No.
Don't say please.
Sir wants to teach you Yakshagana.
Yes, I miss.
Do
Next
you want
time,
to learn it?
of course, when I come back, I will learn Yakshagana.
Yakshagana, cultural.
Yes. I saw the videos because Mayana showed me that time. Amazing.
Okay. Thank you so much for being with me, and all the best for your future. And come to our native place often.
Okay. Yes, I'll come back.
आरती